Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best sink drain adapter is probably one of the most overlooked plumbing essentials, but choosing the right one can save you from frustrating leaks and ensure your sink drains smoothly. In this video, we will explore the key factors to consider when selecting a 1¼ to 1½ inch sink drain adapter, helping you make an informed decision for a perfect fit and long-lasting performance. Number 5. PF WaterWorks FlexTRAP. Say hello to the FlexTRAP, the expandable and flexible P-trap that simplifies your plumbing woes. It's designed to fit a variety of installations, saving you time and effort. It features an innovative accordion design, extending from 10 to 13 inches. This adaptability makes it perfect for tight spaces and unusual plumbing configurations. This versatile trap fits both 112-inch and 114-inch installations. Reducing gaskets are included for a seamless fit, no matter your setup. Its flexible design is a game-changer for tricky installations. It bends and adapts to overcome those hard-to-reach areas with ease. Installation is quick and straightforward. It's the perfect solution for DIY enthusiasts and professional plumbers alike, saving you time and hassle. Upgrade your plumbing with the FlexTRAP. It's the ultimate solution for a secure, flexible, and easy-to-install P-trap. What we like. It extends from 10 to 13 inches, fitting 112 and 114 installations. Its flexible design makes it perfect for tight spaces. If you need a versatile solution for tricky plumbing situations, this is the one for you. What people say. Fit perfectly and worked great. No more leak. Installation was simple. I didn't even use tools to tighten it. This was exactly what I needed. Put a new sink in and the drain pipe was not long enough to attach to the trap, plus not lined up perfectly. This solved that problem. Number 4. Sink Drain Kit 1-to-1-2. This innovative kit makes fixing misaligned drains a breeze. Say goodbye to frustrating leaks and hello to a simple solution. It's made from durable rubber, unlike those flimsy plastic traps. This ensures it stays flexible and won't crack over time. Unlike plastic traps, it won't leak even if bumped. It's the reliable solution you've been searching for. This drain kit maintains its flexibility, unlike other options that harden and crack. Enjoy a long-lasting, leak-free solution. It's designed for an easy fix, even for misaligned drains. You'll have it installed and working perfectly in no time. Upgrade your sink drain with this superior kit. Experience the difference of a durable, reliable, and easy-to-install solution. What we like. Made from flexible rubber, it provides an easy fix for misaligned drains and won't leak or crack over time like plastic options. If you value a reliable, long-lasting solution, this is your best choice. What people say. Very high-quality hose. Comparing the one I was replacing with this one, and it's night and day. This one is thicker with a slightly rubber coating. It stretches and compresses nicely. This hose is good, heavy rubber, and can easily be trimmed to fit exactly as needed. The stepped end to the sink outlet simply slides over either a 1-2 or 1-4 pipe as needed, and is secured with the included hose clamp. The drain end comes with a reducer if needed for 1-4. Trim the drain end to size and the hose end itself acts as a compression fitting. Very sturdy product, excellent thorough instructions, and simple to install. Easy install and perfect fit. Number 3. Plumb Pak 46WK Coupling. This versatile coupling offers a simple solution for various plumbing needs. It's perfect for extending pipes and creating secure connections. It features a convenient slip joint connection, making installation quick and easy. No special tools are required for assembly. Available in 1-to-1-2 inch or 1-to-1-4 inch sizes, it adapts to your specific plumbing requirements. It ensures a perfect fit for your project. Heavy-duty washers are included to guarantee a watertight seal. This prevents leaks and ensures a long-lasting, reliable connection. Made from durable white polypropylene, it's built to withstand the demands of everyday use. It's also resistant to corrosion and damage. It's ideal for completing traps, joining pipes to wall or floor connections, and various other plumbing installations. It simplifies complex plumbing tasks. Everything you need is included. All necessary nuts and washers come with it for a hassle-free installation. What we like. This coupling features a slip joint connection and heavy-duty washers to prevent leaks. It's made from durable white polypropylene. If you prioritize a secure and leak-free connection, this is the ideal option. What people say. I used it to attach a flexible P-trap to my drain. 1 2-inch PVC to 114 PVC drainage lines. Worked great. Works well reducing from 1 and 1/2 to 1 and 1/4. This adapter will connect 114 sink drain pipe to a 112-inch pipe, which is most common size. Number 2. Plumb Pak PP20558 coupling. This versatile coupling is perfect for connecting pipes of different sizes. It's designed for a secure and reliable connection, making it ideal for various plumbing applications. It seamlessly reduces the pipe size from 1 to 1/2 inches to 1 to 1/4 inches. This makes it incredibly convenient for adapting to different pipe diameters. It's built to last with high-quality plastic construction. This ensures long-term performance and resistance to corrosion. Installation is a breeze thanks to its slip joint design. No special tools are needed, saving you time and effort. It comes complete with nuts and washers for a secure and leak-proof connection. Everything you need is included in one package. It provides a reliable connection for years to come. You can trust it to handle the demands of your plumbing system. What we like. It comes with nuts and washers for a secure fit, and its slip joint design makes installation easy. It's built to last. If you need a simple, reliable reducer coupling, this is a great choice. What people say. Needed these to reduce kitchen drains down for old plumbing. Work great, you will not find these in a box store. Very straightforward, it reduced my tailpiece from 112 to 114. Older house had a 114 drain, and I needed to downsize and use a 114 trap set to accomplish this. Much easier than using a trap adapter. This adapter was hard for me to find at retail stores, and I'm so thankful it was on Amazon. The builder of my unit had a 112 P-trap and a 114 adapter all solvent welded to each other. Every other reducer I found was the opposite of what I needed. This worked great, and I got my sink hooked up now. Number 1. 6i3J Flexible Coupling. This innovative coupling ensures a secure and reliable connection for your piping systems. It's designed for ease of installation and long-lasting performance. It's constructed from durable PVC rubber and stainless steel, ensuring compatibility with various pipe materials including cast iron, copper, lead, and steel. This makes it a versatile solution for many applications. This coupling is designed to be leak-proof and resistant to rot, providing a long-lasting seal against infiltration and exfiltration. It's built to withstand the test of time. It is suitable for both pressure and non-pressure applications, including DWV and sewer systems, both indoors and outdoors. It offers a comprehensive solution for your piping needs. Meeting stringent standards, it conforms to ASTM C1173 and CSA B602, and is UPC approved. It's also rated for underground use, providing peace of mind. Each coupling is clearly marked with the part number, size, and certifications for easy identification and verification. This ensures you always know exactly what you're working with. What we like. This flexible PVC coupling is leak-proof and certified for various piping systems. It's suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. If you need a durable and certified solution for your drain system, this is the one to get. What people say. This worked perfectly to connect my 114-inch PVC drain line to the main 112-inch line under the sink. It was a much better solution. It took less time, no cure time. This part worked to connect the two sections securely, saving me a plumber bill. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.